Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. In this video, I am going to be transcribing and sounding word examples for mixed sounds. As you can see, I am not transcribing word examples for a particular vowel or a consonant. I have mixed sounds here. As you can see, this is the CH will give you one sound, okay? Initial and final stage. Look at it, the same sound. Church, church. Then I have the letter M, which gives the sound I have the H that gives the sound. I have the school, which gives the sound S. And this office, this letter O will give the sound A, office. And I have another H here, hospital. I have the C, and it will give you the sound K, K. I have the G here in garden, which gives the sound G. I have this letter E here, estate, and it's going to give you the sound A. It will appear in the sound as letter E. And I have zoo here, and the first sound here gives the sound Z. Follow me as I open the slashes now and transcribe the word. After transcription, we sound them together. Okay? Let me quickly open the slashes. Alright, let's go. This is church. You bring in this sound. And then it's coming in again at the final stage. And this mask. S and K. And this is house. And this is school. And this is office. This one is hospital. Hospital. And this is clinic. And this is garden. You can write it like this or like this. It's the same thing. Garden. And this is estate. Can you see? And this one is zoo. See the letter E changes to A sound. Let me close them up now and we sound them together. Yeah. So let's go. This one is church. Remember, this is S sound. Church. Church. Mask. Mask. House. House. School. School. Office. Office. Hospital. Hospital. Clinic. Clinic. Garden. Garden. Estate. Estate. Zoo. Zoo. Church. Mosque. House. School. Office. Hospital. Clinic. Garden. Estate. Zoo. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I just want to make this one a little bit better, okay? Estate. Thank you.